What's up, guys? It's Spam for breakfast. Here to do another pizza review. Let's see what we got. This is some cheese pizza I got at the dollar store. Ready in 3 minutes. Let's try it out. Oh shit, sorry man. Alright, let's try this pizza out. Fresh out of the microwave. Oh, it's pretty fucking hot. Shit. Wash that down. Alright. Let's give it a fucking try. Fuck, that is really hot. Holy shit. Fuck. Alright, maybe we let it cool down a little bit, but you know what? As they say, as the cool kids say, fucking full sender, man. Oh, fuck. That is hot as... God. You know what? For fucking microwave pizza that's fucking 1,000 degrees. I hope YouTube doesn't take this down because I say fucking, but dude, that's like, that's actually not that bad. That's, you know what? If I was to rate this, my taste buds are gone. But you know what? I'm gonna give this a solid, for microwave pizza that took 3 minutes, personal pan pizza. I'd say this is about, I'll give it a 7.2. I'll give it a 7.2. It's not horrible. It's not great. It's scalding hot. I'd like give it a minute. I gave it like 30 seconds, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do when you're hungry. Ow, fuck. Hot. Fuck.
That's not as bad as I thought it'd be. It's like a 6.9.
Yeah, I'll give it a 5. It's like cheesy tomato bread.